Can you give me free one then?
Hi, Ninang Melba. Sis Melba, thank you so much for the thumbs up, sis. Thank you, thank you. Nag-try ko mag-live kasi 3 days akong walang live. Dahil down ang net. Thank you so much po. Ang daming pasugod ni sis Melba. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you. Mega love shout out to you, sis Melba. Kay ato magarin ako.
You did me pala then? Of course! Yes, 600! But I will give you 200. 210.
Ben is my name. Hello, Ben.
Let me
Thank you so much. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng pumunta sa aking live ngayon. Thank you so much. Magandang gabi po. Good evening to all of you. Mega love shout out. Greetings from Miss Jamie Moliana channel all the way from Abra to yours. Thank you, thank you.
It gives you more diamonds, but you must go to a place with got a lot of diamonds. It will quadruple the kind of the diamonds you earn.
Hi, Martina. I will pin your link. All right. Thank you so much, Martina. Thank you for the thumbs up. I have 3 thumbs up now. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Martina, on the way to your channel. Hi, my friend Crafts and Embroidery. All right, my friend is here. Assalamualaikum, my friend. All right, I will go to your channel and play your videos. All right, thank you so much. Na, ibas ba si Uman data hardi? Huwag kayo pa jiwan. Ayun.
You must find me the diamonds place.
All right, my internet is not so good. I will try to connect to the mobile data. Naka-mobile data ang iyong host. And let's see the result. Ay, parehas lang. Kung minum ati danom nakong.
Payama.
Tapno ang kangaguyot.
Warm multiply, ma.
Yes. Hi, ma'am. I connect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa iyo. Opo, ano natin, lesser volume para hindi nakakaistorbo sa iyo. Ayan. Hindi pa, ma'am. Ito, mamaya. Maglagay muna ako ng tao ko. Mike Tina, on the way to you, Mike Tina. Alright, I'm in your harang, Mike Tina. I'm in your harang. Like that, Akshaya, angels. Alright, Akshaya, and Crabs. Alright, on the way to your channel. Don't you worry. Alright. Alright, playing for Mike Tina. Next is Crabs, and then Akshaya. 2 videos for Akshaya because she has 2 angels. Alright, thank you so much. Crabs, playing. You do not have a new upload, Crabs, my friend. You do not have a new upload. I'm replaying your 21 September 2024. Alright. Your next, Aksha. Your next, Aksha. Aksha, I'm in your channel now. Playing your Lost and found. Hi, lost and found. Thank you for visiting my live, lost and found. What did you find, lost and found? Beth! Hello! Kabsat Beth! Good evening to you. Good evening na po sa Pilipinas. Nakauwi na po si Bagyong Julian at balak niya yatang bumalik. Kaya umulan na naman kanina. Lost and found. Hello, lost and found. I will give you a moderator, my friend. I will give you a jacket. May I know your main channel so I can play your video, my friend, Lost? Alright, Ma'am Kabsat Beth, playing. Dito ka sa isa mag-play kay Ako din po. Salamat, ma'am. On the way, Sis Beth. Yes, Aksha. I will play 2 videos for you at the same time. Just a moment. The one, your latest video, 1 minute, more than 1 minute is playing by my mister. Kabsat Beth, on the way to your channel, my friend. Yes, my internet is just restored 2 hours ago, and it is still has poor connection. That's why I used my mobile data. Let's check your videos. Mike Tina still playing. Crafts and embroidery still playing. Akshay still playing your crab. All right, thank you so much. Naan, hello, my friend Naan. You're next, my friend Naan. Play your video there. Good evening to you, Naan. Still playing your video crafts, the latest video that was uploaded 2 weeks ago. Nagdi-disconnect na naman ang aking net. Sana okay na. Naan, thank you so much, Naan. May God bless you, Naan. Thank you for visiting my live stream tonight. Crab cleaning, still playing.
Mama, out the Wi-Fi.
Awang garug.
Mama, na?
Naka-data up pa yun. My internet connection is down. That's why. Please bear with me. It is lagging. Hi, my internet. Kabaro. Bumalik ka na dito. Kaluluwa ng aming wifi. Halika na. Bumalik ka na sa amin. Para naman ma-play ko na ang mga kaibigan kong nandito na nakasuporta sa akin. Parang awa mo na. Meron na? Hagdan? Alright, I will write down your names. My internet connection is still not working very well. I will write your name so I can make play. Crafts and embroidery. Aksha has 2 angels, so Naan Selvamalay vlog. Beth Madayag. Mike Tina.
Malpas pa, patanggal, pinanahon pa yun.
Ang mga paabutan ti kasi nga oras, amoy te pag
Isuwal nga nagawid kami,
Narud.
pinanahon dyan, Dolores yun, kampulang ito.
sino idagi diyan ngani? Hi, construction. I'm so sorry, my friend. Constancio Mix Vlog. Hello, Constancio Mix Vlog. Constancio Mix Vlog. Mega love shout out to you, my friend. Constancio Mix Vlog. Meron ka ng moderator. Meron ka ng jacket, my friend. Constancio Mix Vlog. Sisulat ko lang, mga kaibigan. Alright. Kuya Joel, nandito na ang aking favorite na ka-collab. Isa sa mga paborito kong ka-collab. Kuya Joel, kasama ni Ma'am I Connect. Alright, Kuya Joel, naka-live ka po ba? Aksya, two videos for you. Alright, I will play. Aksya has video playing over there and this one in the other laptop. Naan! Alright, you're next, Naan. Naan. And then Ma'am Beth. Naan! Please connect with my friend Beth Madayag. Naan, my friend Beth is very supportive. She can also help you with your banana if your problem is subscribers. Constancio Mega Love shout out from Kuya Joel. Get connected also with Kuya Joel. Just remove the alagad because that is his ninja. You can connect with Kuya Joel. Kuya Joel only. Alright? Aksya in your channel. Playing the crab. 2 videos at the same time. Alright, Naan, on the way. Kuya Joel, kung naka-live ka, kuya, magpapadala na lang ako ng support. Highlight, kuya, highlight, Naan. You're playing your latest video. Highlight. Alright. Highlight vlog. Alright, Naan playing. And my friend Aksya. Sorry, Aksha, if you had a live stream earlier, I could not support because I have a problem with the internet connection. My internet connection just restored at 6:30, 2 hours ago. But now, my friend, I can support already. Wow, congrats, ma'am. Alright, let's check your videos. Crab still playing for Aksya with this channel and the other channel there. And Crab still playing. So with the LDR, Mike Tina. Next is Beth Madayag on the way. Ano ni atid saan ako? Hi, Sis Jen Bartolome Vlog. Sis Jen Bartolome Vlog. I will play your video, my friend, Sis Jen Bartolome. Alright, ito mga play ko. Nagda-down na naman ang aking wifi, guys. Hi, Daily Variety Lifestyle. Tamsak, thank you so much. Already dikit na po sa'yo, ma'am. Thank you so much, my friend, for visiting my live stream. This is your first time, so I would like to welcome you a very happy evening of Saturday. Brudex! My friend Brudex is here. Mega love shout out to you, my friend Brudex. Alright, I will write down your name, my friends, because all my ninjas are in use. Brodex Lucky 09. Alright, Daily Variety Lifestyle. You can connect with each other, guys. Aksha family, connect with our new friends here. Daily Variety Lifestyle. Ruel Vlog. Hi, Kuya Ruel Vlog. Sige, susulat ko nito. Daily Variety Lifestyle. Tapusin ko lang po yung... Ayan, Aksha, done with your video here. So I can... But the video over there is still playing. 16 thumbs up from my 17th like done, or thumbs up from me, Aksha. Thank you so much. Oh, mainit. Ayan, nag-electric pan lang. Aksha, connect with us, guys. I'm so fast connected with connected you with like. All right, my friends, Daily Variety Lifestyle. Just connect with Daily Variety Lifestyle, and she is very fast in connecting back. All right, my friend, Daily Variety Lifestyle. My friends from India here, Akshaya family, Naan, they are couple. All right, crafts and embroidery, they are she is also from India. All right, you can connect with them also, my friend, Daily Variety Lifestyle. All right, I just make a comment in Akshaya. Still playing, my friends. Alright, Jen Bartolome. Ayan, nakasulat na dyan. Aksha, one down. One video finished for Aksha family. Thank you so much. Naku Lord, what happened to my... Nakakonect kayo? Wi-Fi? On man Wi-Fi. Done connecting at Daily Variety Lifestyle from Jen Bartolome Vlog. Alright, Jen Variety. Our friend here, Jen Bartolome, has already connected to you. Please connect back to her. Kay Mampay, i-restart yung Wi-Fi. Kan akong 10 seconds and then you on. Thank you so much. Don't you worry, guys, all of your videos will be played, but bear with me for this time because my connection is not stable. However, I already make a list here, the one my visitors. You can, while I am playing your video here, you can connect back, my friends. You can connect with each other, rather. Alright, thank you so much. Good evening to all of you. Our friends, Brudex. Oh, meron si Brudex. Ayan, Brudex. My friend Brudex, very supportive si Brudex. Hi, Kabsat Imelda Dunglao. I have a very supportive friend here, Filipino friend, Ilocano, si Ma'am Mel Dadumlao. You can connect with her also. Just her main channel is Imelda, the former first lady. All right, the mother of our president Bongbong Marcos, Imelda Dumlao. Mega love shout out to you, Kabsat Melda Dumlay. Pasensya ka na. 2 days akong hindi nakapag-support kasi down ang internet. At ito ngayon nag-load na lang ako. Mag-mobile data. Na-restore kanina pero ngayon down ulit. Mawawalan ako sa momentum. Kaya trinay kong mag-mobile data na lang. Ma'am, I connect in the person of Lucille. Mega love shout out to you. Thank you so much. Let us congratulate I Connect Insights and Beyond for getting finally her fully monetized channel, for making finally her fully monetized channel, I Connect Insights and Beyond. Congratulations, Ma'am I Connect. Alright, guys, Jubilin Vlog, hello po. Alright, Jubilin, I will give you a jacket, my friend. Ililista ka na lang, my friend, kasi nakasalang pa. Marami pang nakasalang. You can go also yung sinasabi kong monetized channel na si I Connect Insights and Beyond. Ano po siya, naka live stream. Pwede niyo siyang puntahan, mga kaibigan. And then wag lang kalimutan mag-thumbs-up. Alright, kasi nagbibigay yun ng banana tsaka watch hour, guys. Very supportive si Ma'am I Connect Insights and Beyond. Alright, ang ganda ng pangalan. Tapos Connect, one word. Tapos Insights, second word, and Beyond. Alright. Dan, Ma'am Jen Bartolome with like. Alright. Wag lang kalimutan, mga kaibigang, magbakas. Just don't forget to leave a comment after you watch the video so they can connect back to you. It is easier for them to connect back to you when you leave a comment after you watch their videos. Alright, Crafts and Embroidery is a very nice friend from India. Namaste, my friend. Jubilin Vlog, Melda Dumla, hello po. Dan Dikit. Ang main channel po ni kapatid Imelda Dumlao. Melda Dumlao ay Imelda. Tas Dumlao. Ayan, Ma'am Jubilin Vlog, salamat sa pag-connect kay Kabsat Melda Dumlao. Very supportive yan, kapatid. Kung hindi ka pa monetize channel, dikitan mo si Ma'am Imelda Dumlao kasi nagpe-play yan. Tinutulungan ako ni Ma'am Imelda Dumlao na makamit ang 4,000 watch hour. Alright, thank you so much. Very supportive yan. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, parang si Ma'am I Connect Insights and Beyond din. Nagpe-play sila. Ganun lang naman sa YT World. Kailangan natin magsuportahan, mga kaibigan. Ganyan. Alright. Hindi man, everyday sila nagpe-play. Lalo na si Imelda Dumlao. Maski kasalukuyang nagtatrabaho, nagpe-play pa rin. Ayan. Kasi marami siyang sinusuportahan. Alright. And so with Crafts and Embroidery, my very good friend, very beautiful friend in India. And so with Aksha family, very supportive yan. Aksha family, this is her second channel because I've learned from her that her first channel was hacked. And she lost almost 800 subscribers. Right, Aksha family? Yes, Aksha family. Actually, guys, when I get monetized and my first salary, I will donate to Aksha family for a cause to her daughter who is needs medical treatment. All right, Aksha family. Yes, you can connect with them, Aksha family, so you can grow your channel, my friend. Yes, that is, I promise. All right. When I get monetized, my first salary, I will donate to Aksha family for her daughter, for her medical treatment. Mike Tina, hello po sa nakapin. Alright, Jubilin, mag-drop ka ng link mo. Who wants to drop a link, guys? So I will change the one I pin. Mike Tina is, ano yan, nagda-drop and go lang siya, pero very supportive din naman. Kanjam Cooks, hi! MCV, moment, dahito kabsat. Ay, si kabsat moment, ikang kati jacket mo kabsat, ang kamalamin. Ni agbagbagyo ngamin dito. Lah, anong nangyari dyan? Sorry naman mga kaibigan dyan. Ala, anong ginawa ko kay MCB channel? Bakit anong ginawa ko ba? Mag-drop ka ulit ng link. Pasensya ka na. Ayan. Kanjam Cooks, my very good friend in Canada. My very good friend in Canada. Kanjam Cooks. Alright, you already have a moderator. Alright. Guys, I will pin Jubilin vlog for 5 minutes so you can support, and then after that, mangantayon ni Moment. Nakaluto na si Kabsat Moment. Tapos na siyang magluto. Alright, I will give you all a moderator. Alright. Kabsat kami, nag-down internet mi di bagyo. 2 days, awan makakuha. Erin Shadow, how are you? Erin's life. How's your Ming Ming? I love your cutie cat. cutie cats. Miss Jamie, good evening po. Alright, Ering's Shadow. Hindi ko kasi ma-send yung mga resibo mo, Ering's Shadow. Basta mag-play na lang ako ng mag-play sa'yo din. Alright, you can connect with them, guys. You can connect with crafts and embroidery. You can connect with Ering's Life. Ering Life is having a live stream right now. Ering's Life. Moment Cooking Vlog. Moment Cooking Vlog is also a Filipina Ilocano friend. Alright. Kanjam Cooks is a good friend from Canada. Aksha Family is a good friend from India. Her husband is also a vlogger, a YouTuber. His name is Naan Selva Malay. Alright, good evening to all of you. Good evening. Ang main channel ni Ering's Life pala. Hindi siya, si Ering's Shadow ay si Ering's Life. Jubilin Vlog, dakitan mo rin ang main channel ko at magbabalik ako sa iyo para pag naka-live stream ka or may upload ka, makaka-support din ako mga kaibigan. Jubilin, Ering Life Mix main ko. Alright. Jubilin, naka-live ngayon si Ering Mix. Ering Life Mix. Baka pwede mo rin siyang puntahan, kaibigan. Marami ding tao doon. Kagagaling ko lang doon. At saka si Daily Variety Lifestyle, my very good friend, also new friend in this live stream. Alright, good evening to all of you, my friends. And also Naan Selva Malay Vlog is a good friend from India. They are couple. Aksaya and Naan are couple. Alright. Don't you worry, guys. After my... Kung kayo na-check di Wi-Fi?
Awan na tama.
Naka-on?
Awan.
Kami bagaman dita, Digi provider. Down man ti interneton ko na. Baga amin tatay nga okay.
Please.
Don't you worry, guys. Naka nakalista naman. Nagpe-play talaga ako. Jubilin is so pretty girl. Alright, from Daily Variety Lifestyle. Daily Variety Lifestyle. May I know what country were you from? Hindi ko kasi mabuksan ang iyong channel kasi naka-play. Thank you so much, Naan. Very supportive si Naan. Alright, thank you so much. My very good friend, iConnect Insights and Beyond. Pag nakakonect na kayo sa isa't isa, kaibigan, pwede kayong pumunta kay iConnect Insights and Beyond. Very supportive yan. Subscribe to Pin. Alright. From Kanjam Cooks. My friend Jubilin Vlog. My good friend Kanjam Cooks in Canada has already connected to you. Please connect back to Kanjam Cooks, my friend Jubilin Vlog. Alright, thank you very much. From Naan Salvamalay Vlog. Alright, you can connect with each other, guys, while your channel is being, your video is being played. Kaso tumigil ang wifi ko. If you connected my channel, please like, watch hour only. Thank you. Alright, Daily Variety Lifestyle is in need of watch hour, my friends. We can connect and support with each other. At the same time, Daily Variety Lifestyle, you can connect back, my friend. You can connect with my friend MCV. MCV is Moment Cooking Vlog. Moment, as in moment. Alright. Moment Cooking Vlog. Her main channel is Moment Cooking Vlog. Alright. Next is, I will pin Kanjam Cooks. You can connect Kanjam Cooks. Alright, my friends. I changed the pin. Kanjam Cooks. You can connect with Kanjam Cooks. Kanjam Cooks is a nice friend from Canada. Alright. Tito June, MTV. Tito June, kamusta ka na, Tito June? Pasensya ka na, Tito June. 2 days akong hindi nakasupport sa inyo dahil down ang aking internet. Nagmo-mobile data lang ako, kaso nalalaglag ako sa YouTube. Naka-ano lang yan, pang messenger. Hi, Kahirap Vlog. Alright, Kahirap Vlog. I will give you a moderator. A jacket. Alright, Kahirap Vlog. And nililista ko na lang, kaibigan, at mababalikan kayo mamaya-maya. Tito June. Di ka ba magla-live, Tito June? Si Kuya Joel din. Naku, hindi pa ako nakapunta sa kanyang live. 8 million people in the house. Good evening to you from Akshaya family. Alright, very supportive si my friend Akshaya. Guys, si Akshaya, alam nyo ba? When Akshaya came to your live stream, she also bring with her 2 of her angels, my family and the other one. Kahirap Vlog, thank you sa pa-jacket host. You're welcome, Kahirap Vlog. Kahirap Vlog, please connect to Kanjam Cooks. She is a nice friend from Canada. Kanjam, just leave a comment after you watch his video so Kanjam Cooks can connect back to you. Alright, thank you so much. Imelda Dumlao. Kabsat Melda, wamanang tigikwan. Klik-klikos man deto'y internet ko. Message mo ham ni provider, ni Kabaro.
Awan signal man din.
Baga, awan signal mi pay apo dito'y madayag family ko na. Nagsayangan. Apo mo, may daman nagsingir to no, sumarunong aldaw. Gan anuda mo ton, tata nagsardeng titudon. 2 days nang walang ulan pero ganyan pa rin. Pahinga po bukas ng umaga, baka sa hapon po. Alright, baka makapunta rin ako sa'yo. Umaga kasi busy kami, may training na naman ng mga bata. Alright, salamat sa mga nanonood sa akin, mga kaibigan. Sige, pumunta muna kayo sa mga live para umikot-ikot muna kayo para marami kayong masuportahan din. Thank you so much, Ma'am Lucille, in the person of iConnect Insights and Beyond. Si iConnect, si Ma'am iConnect, very supportive yan. Nagpi-play din yan. Agsingir damanan ka na yun, mat blackout. Problema garod, kabsat moment. No, hanga brown out. Internet mo. Among tirasunda. Nangat-ngat kanu tibao. Jilinyada somewhere between capital sa Bangged. Sabi ko naman, Ah, daga lang ang umatngat sa linya. Hindi naman siguro kinain ng ilang metros nung daga para hindi ma-repair ng 2 days. Tapos ni-repair nila kanina mga 6:15 ng hapon. Tapos after mga isang oras ko lang nagamit, wala na naman, umiikot-ikot na naman. Don't you worry, nilista ko na lang. Maraming salamat sa mga suporta ninyo. Guys, hindi ko rin naman ma-type kasi wala nag-iikot-ikot ganun. Guys, i-message nyo ako para makapag-receive ako, makapag-send ako ng resibo. Jamie Baliena. Alright, my FB name is Jamie Baliena. Jamie and then Baliena. Alright, Jamie Baliena is my FB name. You can connect me. You can add me so I can send your receipt that I played your video. Hindi ko kasi, yung first batch, second batch na plinay ko, wala nandun lang. Di ba si Tito Jun, kaibigan ko na yun sa FB. Si Moment, kaibigan ko na rin. Kahirap vlog, na imbag nga rabi kabsat, ay Lucano gayam, ni kahirap vlog. Taga ano ka, kahirap vlog, pwedeng malaman. Kapatid, kabsat, kahirap vlog. Akshia family, don't you worry my friend, I will play your live stream, I will replay or videos. Just compile all your videos in a playlist, my friend Akshay, so it is easier for me to play all your videos. And separate the video contents, separate your videos, long videos, separate it in a playlist. At the same time, your short videos, and at the same time, your live stream videos, separate playlist. So we can support. Si Aksaya family mga kaibigan, nag-YT siya dahil para sa kanyang anak. Yung anak niya kasi PWD. So kailangan niya ng support system para ma-monetize siya. Alright, very supportive naman si Aksya. Actually, pag pumupunta sa live stream, nagbibit-bit yan. Binibit-bit niya yung asawa niya, binibit-bit pa niya yung 2 angels niya. Yan, ganyan ka bait si Aksya. And mga Has Official. Alright, mega love shout out po. Mega love shout out to all of you. From And mga Has Official, I will give you a jacket. Jacket na. Alright, para hindi ka ginawin dyan. And isusulat muna kita, nag-down yung net ko. Hindi ako makapag-support. Pasensya muna kayo ngayon. You can add me in my FB name, Jamie Baliena. Naka-blue ako dun na sleeveless. Ayan. Para ma-send ko yung resibo pag nag-play ako. So I can send the proof that I played your videos. All right. You can connect the one I pinned, guys. Very supportive yan si Kanjam Cooks. Pwede kayo umikot-ikot mga kapatid sa mga nagla-live stream din para mag-grow ang channel. Wag lang kalimutan mag-tamsak. All right. Wag niyo lang kalimutan na mag-tamsak pagka iniwan niyo ako, 'di ba? Di bale, nakasulat lahat yan, mga names nyo. Ayan, babasahin ko baka may nakaligtaan ako. The one I listed in this are my visitors today in this live stream. The one I will play a video. Alright? Crafts and Embroidery, Aksya Family, Naan Selva Malay, Beth Madayag, Mike Tina, Constancio Mix Vlog, Kuya Joel, Jen Bartolome Vlog, Brudex, Lucky 09, Daily Variety Lifestyle, Ruel Vlog, Jubilin Vlog, Kahirap Vlog, Tito June MTV, Imelda Dumlao, and Ann, mga Has Official, tsaka si Moment Cooking Vlog, Moment, si kapatid Moment. And Kanjam Cooks. Alright. Lahat po na nabanggit ko dyan, magpo-play ako ng video and then sisend ko na lang sa inyo. Kung hindi man ngayon, sigurado yan, magre-restore. I'm pretty sure my internet provider will restore the internet. If not tonight, maybe early tomorrow. Kasi nanggigigil na ang mga kasama kong client nila. Nanggigigil na kasi sa kanila mas matagal pa nawalan eh. Ako 2 days, sa kanila 3 days. Nanggigigil na sila kasi wala eh, di din sila makaano. Kasi buhay na natin. Internet is life. YouTube is life. Ngayon, FB is life na. Part of our daily lives. Alright. Kaya, mga kapatid, na-add na po kita sa FB. Alright. Salamat naman. Na-add na po ako ni kapatid. Alright. Alam niyo mga kaibigan, ayan, si Ma'am Iconet, si Imelda Dumla, kung gusto niyo kailangan nyo ng watch hour mga kaibigan, please makidikit kayo kay Imelda Dumlao. Nagpi-play talaga yan. 2 days akong walang net. Diyos ko, everyday akong sinisendan ni kakabsat Imelda Dumlao ng proof. Hi, Arcely Vlog. Ayan, si Arcely Vlog. Nakapila ka po, Arcely Vlog, sa aking papanoorin video kasi pumunta ka sa aking premiere. May premiere pa naman ako ngayong 9 PM. Kung gusto niyo pumunta, magpi-play ako ng tig 1 hour video sa lahat ng pumunta sa aking premiere mamayang 9 o'clock ng gabi kasi